Welcome back to Supercar Studio, where we bring you the most thrilling and exclusive looks at the world's most exotic machines. Today we are diving inside the cockpit of one of the most iconic supercars ever built, the Lamborghini. Parked inside a luxurious showroom, this beast is not just a car, it's a statement of style, performance, and futuristic technology. Step inside and you're immediately surrounded by a high-performance atmosphere. The dashboard is a masterpiece of design, merging sharp lines with modern digital displays. At the center is a fully digital instrument cluster with crisp graphics and customizable layouts, offering everything from speed and RPM to performance data and navigation. The LED lighting across the cabin sets the mood and adds to the futuristic appeal, glowing through the air vents, door panels, and around the center console. The interior is a perfect blend of carbon fiber Alcantara and premium leather, all stitched with precision. Every detail, from the fighter jet-inspired start-stop button to the toggle switches on the center stack, screams performance. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in leather and features integrated controls for a seamless driving experience. Paddle shifters sit right behind it, offering rapid gear changes to match the car's raw power. 2025 brings even more updates to this iconic interior. The new model introduces enhanced ambient lighting controls with customizable colors that respond to drive modes. The infotainment system has been upgraded with a sharper display, faster response times, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A new AI-powered driving assistant helps with predictive navigation and performance analysis, ideal for track enthusiasts and daily drivers alike. The seats are designed not just for comfort but for support at high speeds. They're electrically adjustable and come with memory settings along with integrated cooling and heating functions. The climate control system has been updated for 2025, offering zone temperature settings and improved air filtration. Connectivity is at the heart of this interior. USB-C ports, wireless charging, and a premium surround sound system come standard. Lamborghini has also included a digital rearview mirror and advanced parking cameras with real-time 3D visualization to help you maneuver even in tight showroom corners. Sitting inside this Lamborghini, you feel connected not just to the car but to an experience that combines cutting-edge technology with the soul of a raging bull. Every surface, switch, and screen is designed to heighten your senses and remind you that you're in something truly special. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us here at Supercar Studio for more stunning interiors, supercar reviews, and behind-the-scenes access to the automotive world's finest.